Ever wonder why your bird screams? It's not just for attention. Screaming can be a sign of boredom or stress. Imagine being cooped up all day with nothing to do. That's how your bird feels. Try interactive toys to keep them engaged. Also consider their environment. Is it too noisy or chaotic? Creating a calm space can help reduce noise. And don't forget about training. Positive reinforcement works wonders. So next time your bird screams, think about their needs. For more tips on bird behavior, follow us.